In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a free trial and the free version of TradingView. TradingView is a powerful platform for traders and investors offering a range of features that can enhance your trading experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, it's important to explore what this platform has to offer, and today we'll focus on how you can utilize their free options effectively. First, let's talk about using a free trial. TradingView offers free trial versions of its paid plans, which is a great way to test out premium features without any initial financial commitment. To start, visit the TradingView website. Once there, you'll find a variety of subscription plans, each offering different levels of access and features. The goal here is to explore these options carefully so you can choose the plan that best suits your trading needs. When you've decided which plan intrigues you, go ahead and sign up for a free trial of the premium plan. This is your opportunity to experience all the advanced features without any upfront cost. During the sign-up process, you'll be required to enter your payment details. Now don't worry, this is a standard procedure for most free trials. The key point to remember here is that while you're enjoying the premium features, it's crucial to keep track of the trial period. Before the trial period expires, make sure to cancel your subscription if you decide not to keep the paid service. This simple step ensures you won't be charged once the trial ends. It's a smart way to experience all that TradingView has to offer without any unintended costs. Now, let's shift our focus to using the free version of TradingView. The basic version is available to everyone at no cost and is an excellent starting point for those new to the platform or for casual traders. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a free account on the TradingView website. This process is straightforward and quick, allowing you to dive into the platform's charting services and tools right away. Once you're set up with a free account, you can begin exploring the available features. Even without a paid subscription, TradingView offers robust charting tools and grants access to some of its trading capabilities. This access means you can start analyzing markets, create and customize charts, and even use some technical indicators to help inform your trading decisions. In conclusion, both the free trial and the basic version of TradingView offer valuable resources for traders. Whether you're just starting out or want to explore premium features, there's something for everyone. Remember, the key to getting the most out of these options is to understand what each offers and to manage your trials carefully to avoid any unexpected charges. Happy trading, and I hope this has helped you navigate TradingView's offerings with confidence.